Good morning or afternoon or evening. My name is Robyn. And this is my channel. So today I have selfie versus selfie. This is my December box and I have my January box. And I have a feeling my February box is in the mail. So I am doing catch up. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to be a family member. Hit or tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope you all are avoiding the snowstorm. So selfie box is $25 a month. It's mostly skincare. There's a few makeup items, and I do have a discount code. If you really like this box, I suggest you go ahead and try it with the discount code because it's fantastic, as you will see. So let's get into it. The first thing I see is by Polani Youthful Glow Facial Cream. We've been getting, I do a lot of unboxings, so we've been getting a lot of masks, we've been getting a lot of toners. I don't see a lot of moisturizers. Oh my goodness. Look at this, you can just leave this on your dresser. And this is, see if I can read the card. Is this the cream? Yeah, this is the facial cream. It's an anti-aging formula designed to help prevent fine lines, age spots, and it's vegan free. I'm looking to see if it has a price, and I don't see a price on here, but that just could be me. I'm gonna open this because I'm gonna keep it and use it. And of course it's got all sorts of protectors. It smells good. It's pretty thick consistency. So I am looking forward to not only putting it on my stand, but to using it. And it says facial cream, so it is a moisturizer. Oop, put it back in the box. And the next item is a Tahir serum by Silk. And if you watched my other video, I will link it up here. I got the AIA box, and it was all hair products that I was looking forward to getting. So now I have more hair products. And this is Repair Therapy. I'm not gonna open it because, you know, I'm not sure if I'll keep it since I got all the other hair products. But let's read up on it. And let me see if I can find it. Silk's Repair Therapy Hair Serum. Oh, there is a price on here. This is $18. Tired of fighting against frizzy hair? Silk Serum is a miracle solution to all your hair problems. It makes your hair manageable, tames frizz, adds a healthy glow, and What was that other product? The cream was $32. They just put everything so close together. So this will solve all your problems, so I'd have to keep it. Okay, and then we got Pure, and who doesn't like a good Pure product? This is Hydrogel Lift Eye Perfecting Primer. Ooh. Yeah, I do like, Jean Louise got me turned on to this box, and I do like it. It does have a lot of great skincare. As I said, they do throw in makeup. Okay, this could be a disaster in waiting. Oh, that's what it looks like. So I don't know if you just kind of twist it. The directions are on the box. Oh, that's the French side. It's a cooling eye primer, hydrating all-purpose cooling eye primer that preps and smooths the skin for better wear throughout the day. Achieve perfect eye makeup. So that's super nice. And let's see. So what I need more in my house is dust. Now that it's sunny and getting warmer, the dust just seems to want to come in. Obviously, I'm not gonna open it because I will have this everywhere, but it's like a really pretty gold color. So I don't know if I am gonna use this because this might be too dark of a color for me. I might have to gift this to somebody that's got like a darker complexion. And ooh, gotta find it. It's $28. Then we got this giant Balum Botanical Splash Aloe and Eucalyptus Oil Hydrating Toner. As I said, there's like a toner in every box. So here's the size of it. But I've just, in probably my last 3 or 4 boxes, have gotten I don't know how many toners, so I cannot possibly go through all these toners. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. But let's see how much this toner goes for. Toner is $35. Ooh, and then we have by IBY Hollywood Glam. It's an eyeshadow palette. I don't know, it might be too glammy for me. Find that Pure thing on there. I don't know, did they throw it in as a gift, or I can't see it. I'll have to ask Jean if she got one. This is the case. Upside down. Wow. These are some rocking colors. I like the colors. What do you think? Oh, there goes the cover. Would you use these colors? Let me know if you got this box, if you got this palette. If you did, get ready with me using these colors, because I always am anxious to see how you use them. You know, the blue is kind of dark, but the other colors really aren't. So I don't want to swatch it in case I have to give it away, because, you know, I'm not the right home for it, but it is a very pretty palette. There are some nice colors in there. So what'd you think of that palette? Is it Hollywood Glam? Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So why can't I find? The palette is $20, so that's not too bad for a palette. Oh, we were supposed to get Sensual's Vanilla Sunset Perfume that was $19. Express yourself with this 100% natural Vanilla Sunset Perfume Roll-On. The easy to use roll-on application. So they must have replaced it with the Pure Hydrogel Lift Primer, because I don't see the perfume in there. So anything to confuse me. Yeah, there's no perfume in here. So that was my December box. So what do you think? I thought it was pretty good. So now on to my January box. And the card says, Happy New Year. And the first thing is Contact Facial Cleanser Sponge. That's what it looks like. I won't open it. It's locked in there pretty tight, and I'm not going to use it right off the bat. So that's what we got. And I'll go over the prices at the end to save time. Then we got the Earth Harbor Sunshine Dew, and it's the antioxidant cleansing oil. And it's a dropper style. Not always a fan of these oils. I don't know if they clean real good. They leave like a residue on your face. Let me know if you like them. And then we got a Honey Softening Hydro Whip. I don't know if it's a butter, coconut oil, rosehip seed, shea nut. And this is massage a small pearl-sized amount to face and neck on cleansed, toned skin. Apply day and or night. I'm not gonna open it because I don't know when I'm gonna use it. But I bet you it's really soft and it probably smells awesome. And we got a gel eyeliner in ebony. So I do love a good eyeliner. Catherine, Live Enjoy, Berry Bronze. If it's a blush. Oh, there's a little brush there. And oh, there goes the thing. It's kind of dark. It's a little dark for me. So, but it's really cute. It comes in this. Let me just show you again. Look at that case. That's super cute. And it has the little brush. So that was it for this box. It's got the blush. It's got the cleansing oil, the eyeliner, the moisturizer, and then the face. And the prices are, the eyeliner was $16, the sponge was $17, the bronzer was $22, the Earth Harbor Dew was $24, and the whip was $55. That must have been, the Dew must have been the cleanser. So, what'd you think of both boxes? Obviously, the first one was full of heavy goodies, so I did like that. But I do like the facial cleanser, and this blush is super cute. But again, it might be too dark. Well, actually, it wasn't a blush; it was a bronzer. So maybe when I get some color to my face, it will work, and I'll definitely use the eyeliner. So these boxes are $25, so it's not a bad deal for what you got. And I'll have a coupon for $5 off. So thank you again for watching my channel, and you guys have an awesome day.